I'm Hazel, and together we both have made this website named Closet Compass, in short CC. And so basically, this, like I earlier pitched this yesterday also, this website basically allows you to make your own outfit. Like you can sit at home and not brainstorm on your own.
Like picture all your outfits like tops, jeans, and basically if you want to go somewhere like you're going for a casual lunch, you can just put all the details here and it will suggest you an outfit. Like if I choose a formal event here and summer and suggest an outfit. So basically we right now have a limited inventory because we took the photos from Pinterest, so that's why it's showing a limited research.
And then we press suggest an outfit, so it'll suggest you an outfit. And then if you've already worn this outfit, you can press I wore this, log it, and in the outfit history it actually tells you like on 5th
like where you wore this and which outing you went for,
like a casual day out.
Yeah.
And it also has a very cool feature, like for example, if I went for shopping and I want a particular top but I'm not sure if I have something similar at home, so I can actually add a photo, like click it right there and then and add it on the app, and then I can write the category, like it's a top, the type is
flare red top, you can write the color here,
the pattern is optional so it's fine, the brand you can name for example Zara, the quality good, the price is like 5,000 for example, and then if I check this item, so it's telling you to think twice because first of all, because
quality is good but the price doesn't support it, and like it even gave you that it should be around 2,500 but it's overpriced, so you need to think twice if you need to buy this. And if I choose another photo for example,
so for example this bag, if I upload this and then I select the category,
so right now we have uploaded a similar bag in our wardrobe, so we are checking if it will recommend us to buy it or not.
And if I check this item, so it's telling that
you skip it because
you already own something similar
bags, so it will not advise us to buy it. We are currently working on this and we have a lot of ideas and maybe we'll work on it later.
Yeah.
So Meloni, how much time did you take to build this?
15-20 minutes?
25 minutes maximum.
Yeah.
So less than 30 minutes you put this together?
Yeah.
And yesterday when you came, how much AI did you know? Did you even imagine that you could build something
Nothing
like
at all.
No. To be honest, we came for a time pass, but it turned out to be something productive now.
So now we can work on it actually and build something out of it.
Yes.
So what would the future version, let's say you get to work on it for 3 days, what would that perfect version be like? What are the next steps that you can
So like right now we, for example, have 5 tabs on it. Later we could add more tabs, for example, whatever the trendy color or pattern is, and it can suggest you outfits or on the basis of trends or whatever like appropriate. I would actually add more tabs onto it.
And maybe sometimes when you're on Instagram and you see someone wearing something and you really like it but you don't know from where you should buy it. So like if you go on that tab and put that screenshot there, it will give you 2-3 links from where you can buy the similar one, what the type of quality is and more things.
So overall it will save a lot of time that you honestly take when you have to research for an outfit.
And I think this is just a dream come true for girls.
Yes, it is.
Can we have a huge round of applause for Hazel and Meloni, please?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.